Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Jaguar XJR-15. This incredible machine is more than just a car. It's a piece of racing history, a true road-legal race car. With only 53 examples ever produced, acquiring one requires a specific approach. We'll delve into its unique features, like its groundbreaking carbon fiber chassis and powerful 6.0-liter V12 engine, to help you understand what makes this vehicle so special and how to begin your journey to ownership. The Jaguar XJR-15 boasts an unparalleled racing pedigree, directly inheriting technology from the legendary Le Mans-winning XJR-9. This vehicle was revolutionary, being the first road car ever constructed entirely with a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and bodywork, making it incredibly light and strong. Under its sleek exterior lies a formidable 6.0-liter V12 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Acquiring a Jaguar XJR-15 is a journey for serious collectors. Your best avenues are specialized classic car dealerships and brokers who deal in ultra-rare vehicles. High-end automotive auctions are also crucial, as these limited production cars frequently appear there. Be prepared for a substantial financial commitment. These vehicles typically command prices well over $1 million, reflecting their rarity and historical significance in the automotive world. Owning an XJR-15 is a unique experience that comes with specific considerations. Due to its race-bred nature and advanced materials, specialized maintenance from experts is essential to preserve its condition and performance. This car is not just a thrill to drive, it's also a significant collector's item, with values often appreciating over time. Embrace the pure, uncompromised driving experience of this legendary machine, a true testament to automotive engineering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.